right, so let's open up our Philips Hue white in color 16-foot LED strip. Now, just so you're aware, this of course works with Alexa and Google Home. This one also works with Bluetooth, but you can, set the mood in your room easily with Bluetooth, or you can add the Hue bridge to unlock all the features. So we're gonna add this to our Hue bridge for my DJ setup. It is Zigbee certified, and then True White's 1700 lumens of brightness, 2000K to 6500K white, 16 million colors. It's everything that comes inside of here. 25,000 hours of use, 1700 lumens. It's only 20 watts. Let's just open this on up, break our little seal here. And so, I've never had a Philips Hue LED strip. I've had many LED strips, not a Hue branded one. So that's it for in there. First off, here's the LED strip. Now, how do I actually... Oh, wow. Maybe I shouldn't have pulled this out like this. But this is the actual Hue LED strip here. All nice and neatly wound together. I will say, first fill of this, the quality of this LED strip feels... like this has a nice plastic thing in front of it. Like, this just feels a million times better than any of the others that I've used, to be 100% honest. And yes, there's already double-sided tape on the back. It does say Philips Hue on it, so... For now, I'll just kind of set this here, I guess. This is all just cardboard. Oh, and then this is how it all communicates. So this little piece here plugs in to this little piece here, which only goes one way. So it goes this way. Bam. Okay. And then this is where the power will plug in right here. Like so. So then you just run this to your power outlet, your lights will have power, and essentially that's all that really comes in the box, besides this little set of instructions here.